Dear viewers, today we will discuss experimental method in educational psychology. First of all, we will discuss what is experimental method. The experimental method in educational psychology refers to the use of controlled and systematic procedures to test hypotheses about the causes and effects of education phenomena. In an experimental study, researchers manipulate an independent variable and observe its effect on a dependent variable while controlling for other extraneous variables. The experimental method is used to establish causal relationships between variables and to determine the impact of different instructional methods, educational interventions, and other educational practices on student learning outcomes. The key elements of the experimental method, first one is experimental group. This group receives the experimental treatment such as a new teaching method or intervention. Second one is control group. This group receives a different treatment or no treatment as a comparison for the experimental group. Third one is random assignment. Participants are randomly assigned to either the experimental or control group to eliminate any potential bias in the study. Fourth one is independent variable. The variable that is manipulated or varied by the researcher in the study. Fifth one is very important, dependent variable. The outcome that is being measured, such as student achievement or attitude towards learning. Sixth one is control of extraneous variables. Researchers must ensure that any other factors that may affect the dependent variable are controlled for or accounted for in the study design. The experimental method provides a systematic and rigorous approach to testing hypotheses about educational phenomena and is widely used in educational psychology to inform educational practices and improve student outcomes.